Holy cow. I need a Raj dog to cheer me up. What? I'm a Raj dog. This is amazing!
Hi, I'm the CEO of Raj Dogs, and I created this product in math class when I saw Raj and believed he would be a great idea for hot dogs. I've made tons of money with this product, and I believe that it will be a great success because of the popularity of Raj. And
Raj dogs! Raj dogs! Raj dogs! Raj dogs!
Dude, have you ever just had those dogs that are just really just garbage?
Oh, Raj dogs?
No, dude. Raj dogs are the best dogs around.
Where do you get them at?
I know, dude. Kroger.
Yeah,
Kroger
Raj.
has them. Walmart has them.
Uh-huh.
They're so good. Actually, they're from like the Sure things.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
the Sure company.
Yeah, those things are the best.
Yeah, I love Raj dogs.
Love them.
Boy, do I love Raj dogs, man. They're probably the best hot dogs in the whole universe. I've tried hot dogs from Saturn, Jupiter, Mars. Well, there's nothing that compares to Raj dogs. Man, my first Raj dog, I ate it and I just started drooling all over the place, like puddles. And I realized that that was my true love. And that's why I love Raj dogs.
Raj dogs!
You can even get a mini Raj dog.
Raj dog! 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 Raj dog!